Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the complete process of installing Android TV on a USB drive. First, make sure you have a USB drive with at least 4 gigabytes of storage, and it should be empty because all existing data on it will be erased. So let's get started. In the description below, you'll find the download link for the Android TV ISO file. Click on it, and it will take you to the download page. Now click on the download button, and the file, around 1.2 gigabytes, will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, we can move on to the next step. Next, you'll need a tool called Rufus to make the USB bootable. To get it, on the Google search, Rufus, and from the results, click this official link. On the website, scroll down and download the latest version. Once it's downloaded, plug in your USB drive and open Rufus. From the device drop-down menu, select your USB drive. On boot selection, select the Android TV ISO file you just downloaded. For the file system, make sure it's set to FAT32. When everything looks correct, click Start, then click OK, and let Rufus create the bootable drive. This process may take a few minutes, depending on your PC speed. When the process is finished, close Rufus and open your USB drive. Inside, you'll find a file named Data4GB. We need to extract this file. To do that, use a tool like 7-Zip or WinRAR. Right-click on the file and select Extract here. After extraction, you should see a new file named data.img. This is very important because it expands your storage space for apps, settings, and user data on Android TV. Now we're almost done. Restart your computer and enter the boot menu, usually by pressing F12, F10, or Escape, depending on your PC. If you're not sure about your boot key, just Google your PC brand with the phrase boot key. Once you're in the boot menu, select your USB drive and press Enter. Your computer will now boot into Android TV. At first, the system will initialize, and then you'll see the setup screen. Here, choose your language and connect to Wi-Fi, or use an Ethernet cable if your Wi-Fi adapter doesn't work. After setup is complete, Android TV will be ready to use directly from your USB drive. You can plug into almost any compatible device, like a laptop, mini PC, desktop, or even some smart TVs that support USB boot. From here, you can install apps, stream your favorite content, just like a real Android TV box. And that's it. You've successfully installed Android TV on a USB drive. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more easy tech tutorials, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss future uploads. If you run into any problems, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.